we're going to learn about the well, journey to the well. So hello everyone and welcome. I'm Benny. We learn English and Luganda with ease. So today we are going to have a conversation like how can you converse when you're going at the well? How can you converse when you're going at the well? So well in Luganda is Oluzzi. So today we are going to see and learn about fetching water from the well. Okukima amazzi okuva ku luzzi. But if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share. So let's continue. So let's proceed. Let's go to the well together. Check with me. Follow me. So that is what we call sweet potato plantation. So sweet potato plantation in Uganda is called Lumonde. Yes, there are sweet potato plantations. So let's proceed. As you can see, in Uganda, wells are mostly located in swampy areas or in wetlands, as you're going to see the other side. That is what we call a small wetland area. In Luganda, it's called Oluzzi. Yes, so you can see, just show them the pattern. Okay, so let's proceed. That place is somewhat bushy, as you can see, somewhat bushy. As you can see, somewhat wet. Yes. So, the well. The well in Uganda is so, yeah, we've arrived at the well. But the place is somewhat bushy because you know wetlands are located around bushy areas. So the place is somewhat bushy. Oluzzi lulimu kyebayita enkonge, mulimu omuddo mungi. Yes, mulimu omuddo mungi, and those are plantations. People, as you can see, those are plantations of people. They're somewhat clearing the land such that they use it. Abantu basalira omuddo okubaako ne bakozesa ettaka. So today we're going to look at the well, because most of the people have been asking me that what is well. So a well is what we call Oluzzi in Luganda. Yes, Oluzzi. So join me. So now we have reached the well. We are at the well. Tutuse Oluzzi. We have reached the well. Ife tutuse Oluzzi. So this is what we call the well in Luganda, Oluzzi. So come closer and come follow me. So this is the well. You can see those are the steps they built such that when you're moving out, you just climb off and go. So just follow me. You know, in Uganda, when you are going to fetch water at the well, it is advisable that you first remove your shoes. I don't know what's the essence, but most of the times people remove their shoes. Mu Uganda, obogendo chima amazzi ku luzzi kikakatako okujjamu sapatu zo if you're not wearing gumboots. What you ambale gumboots ojjamu engatto zo, so you fetch water directly using the well. So that's one of the totem in Uganda. Zezimu ku ngero oba zezimu ku bukwakulizo obuli mu luzzi. So you can go with the shoes, but for me I feel comfortable when I remove my shoes because I don't want them to get dirty. So you follow me. My shoes I've removed there. Yeah. So we've reached the movie. We've reached the area. So this is what we call the well in Oluzzi. So that is the place. You can see it goes because it throws water out. So this is the well. This is my jerry can. So when I'm going to fetch, I just come, I place the jerry can just below this nozzle, and water starts flowing in. So kidomola nteeka wansi wa noze eno amazzi negatandika okuflowingamu. So no bayita oluzzi in Luganda. In Uganda, Oluzzi, the well. Most of people have been asking me, what is a well? What is a well? So a well is Oluzzi in Luganda. Oluzzi. So you have to wait for some minutes as the water goes in the jerrycan. Yes. Olindamu na amazzi bwe gafilling ekidomola. And once the jerrycan is done filling, just remove and place another one. So traditionally, I think this is the best way of collecting water or gathering water. You understand? This is the best way because the water is fresh. You can see it's coming from swamp area, so the water is fresh and clean. Yes, amazzi gatula amayonjo. So the place is swampy, but this is fresh water for drinking and water for doing other home domestic stuff. Yes. So this video is so practical, as you can see, but my jerrycan is not getting full. I don't know what's wrong. Let me pray that it doesn't have any leakage. Okay, you wait for some time. Yeah, it can take you something like 5, not 5, it can take you something like 2 to 3 minutes to get done. Yes. So you can be viewing the place as I'm waiting for the jerrycan to be filled up with water. Musobola okubanga mulaba ku video awo nyinza ekitunula kyange kijjula amazzi. Remember, water in Uganda is amazzi. Yes, amazzi, water. So once it gets done, it's not yet full, you can use another jerrycan to fill it. Hey, oops. So I'm gonna call the section, no? Mfilingewo this place, Oops, this one is enough. So you fill out this. As you can see, my jerrycan is done, so I get it out. Yeah. Fill this one also. I'll be good to go. Kano kankajuza amazzi omale ngende. So this is the well. Luno lwe bayita Oluzzi. Oluzzi. Yes. I don't know how you call it in Dutch, but most of my viewers are from Dutch, so I think you will comment and show me and text me how you call the well in Dutch. Yes. Abajamani mujja kuntextinga mumbuye Oluzzi baluyita batya mu Germany, but in Luganda it's a well. Yes. So this is a nozzle, as I've told you, and it draws water from that wet land. So water is drawn until it's spotted out and people fetch it for home usage. Yeah, it's full. So I'm getting out, as I told you. I'm back with the Oluzzi. So I'm done fetching water from the well, so I have to get back home and I use this water very well. Amba maliriza okukima amazzi enda kuddayo waka. But before, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share. I'm going to be dropping a wildlife video next week, so join me at Beni Beni as we learn English and Luganda with ease. Bye bye, wherever.